Hi, everybody, and welcome to another Ask the Hub. Today, I'm joined by Ivan Drokin, who is the Chief Science Officer at BrainGarden. Ivan, thanks for joining.
Thank you, Anesh. Hello.
So, Ivan, today we are talking about artificial intelligence, and though artificial intelligence has got adopted by many companies across industries, there's still a lot of ambiguity around this concept. So, what is the best way that any client can understand the concept of artificial intelligence, and how does it exactly add value in terms of solving tasks or automating processes?
So, actually, artificial intelligence is very big area of different algorithms that can solve different tasks. Well, everyone on the earth actually communicate with several different AI algorithms on everyday basis. For example, when you scroll your feed in Facebook or search videos on YouTube, when you see any advertising internet, it's all done. It's all produced with some artificial intelligence algorithm, and such algorithm can do uh, a lot of tasks. For example, it's tasks about process automation. When somewhere in business process in company exists a point with similar, simple, and very large amount of tasks that could be performed with artificial intelligence. For example, document parsing, or maybe image recognition, maybe text recognition, and so on. It's such algorithm also can be used maybe in the industrial processes when one should check is some part in assembly process is correct without any defects and so on. Another big group of algorithm is about very powerful business analytics. For example, if company use any algorithm for example, sales prediction, or maybe some part failures in manufacturing process and so on, artificial intelligence can add additional value to such algorithm to find new possible way to maybe sell product, new auditory, and so on. If company have a lot of data and this data can be assessed by artificial intelligence, that could bring some new value for company. Also, artificial intelligence very widely used in communication with clients. For example, with all these modern chatbots, some funny filters in Instagram and Snapchat, and so on. It's all about artificial intelligence, and such algorithm can bring much more sustainable communication with client that will lead for new orders, new clients, and more loyal auditory.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. However, AI projects are significantly different from traditional software projects. How can teams that are adopting AI and machine learning into their processes, how can they try and get predictable business outcomes? How do they set up KPIs? And also, how do they plan budgets around these projects?
Yes, it's true. Adapting artificial intelligence uses these technologies different from traditional software development. There is a lot of uncertainty in such technology, in process, in works when company or team try to use this technology. There are a lot of way to do the same task, and there are a lot of way to fail in this way. So we have completed more than 20 projects for last 5 years, and we have some insights about this. We actually compile all our experience in our own research framework that allow us to successfully manage and deliver such projects. So some key insights, key ideas. First of all, pay attention to the process where artificial intelligence should be used, because context of using any AI technology is a very very important to understand how to create such, how to build, how to work with such algorithm. Pay attention to data and work with data a lot, because data is key factor for success in any AI implementation. Also, because of a lot of ways to work with AI, machine learning, all these technologies use small iteration with very limited aims, just to go iteratively from step by step, from simple, very maybe primitive algorithm to final solution that will really be, uh, that will be really useful in real business process. So with all these key ways, key principles, one can successfully bring AI to its company, its team, and do it successfully.
That makes sense. So, I mean, obviously, there are tremendous benefits that we've already discussed about AI and its implementation and stuff. But what would you say are some of the difficulties in terms of implementing these AI strategies? And also, like, the backdrop of this is that many organizations have never dealt with AI or have never had this capability within their organization. So most of them would probably be looking outwards to try and acquire this capability from software development partner. So what should they look for when they are acquiring this talent or this skill set within their team, and what should they probably even look for in, let's say, a potential software development partner who they're engaging for this?
Well, first of all, such software developer providers should have proven AI experience, and not just AI experience, but experience in a particular field that requires for solving task. For example, if company needs some computer vision experience and expertise to solve, assume that document parsing, automation, uh, computer vision is a key expertise for this, not powerful analytic, or maybe not natural language processing, because it's a little different areas of artificial intelligence. Also, one should ensure that such team have successfully completed projects in past with some results that they got during this project. Well, one should pay attention for successful project management in this way. Also, a company should choose the right cooperation model. For example, if company requires very limited and easy algorithm, they more likely should choose fixed term cooperation with fixed costs and time of work. But if company tries to need to create some really complex algorithm, some iterative way of working should be chosen in this way. Also, companies should pay attention to its data, its infrastructure and processes that they have, because this is a key success factor for any data-driven methods and so on. Also, company shouldn't hesitate to ask a consultation call, because any consultation call is very useful for both sides, because company can better understand what technologies can do and what engineers can bring with these technologies to company success, and also engineers can better understand needs of clients and how they can solve it.
Great. That makes a lot of sense. I think there's a lot of interesting anecdotes and information in terms of AI adoption which is still in a lot of ways a mystery to a lot of organizations and software projects. So, thanks a lot, Ivan, for sharing this important information. And I hope our audience, our users, I hope you all have found this chat interesting. If you have any questions or any further comments, please feel free to get in touch with us, and me and Ivan will try and solve most of your questions. But yeah, thanks, Ivan. Thanks for joining and taking the time.
Thank you, Anish.